In this video, I want to show you how to set up your own OpenVPN server with just $1. Yes, it really costs only $1, and I'm not exaggerating. You can use it on all your devices and even share it with your family and friends with no connection limits. And enjoy having your own personal and private OpenVPN server that keeps you secure and anonymous. The first thing you need is a VPS. There are many providers out there, like DigitalOcean, Linode, Hetzner, Hostinger, and more. They offer great speed, solid performance, and good privacy. But the problem is, they're expensive. But today we're going with hostvds. Their servers are fast, reliable, secure, and surprisingly cheap. The base plan starts at just $1, which is honestly a great deal. So let's go ahead and get one. First, head over to the hostvds website. You can use the link I've added in the description, and if you use my link, you'll also get a little bonus. Next, click on Sign Up. Enter your email and create a password for your hostvds account. Then click Submit. hostvds will send you a verification email. So go to your email inbox, open the verification email, and click Confirm my email. You'll be taken to the activation page where you just need to fill in your information. First name, last name, country, region, city, postal code, and address. Once everything is filled out, click Activate. You'll then be redirected to the billing page, where you can top up your balance. hostvds supports a wide range of payment methods: credit cards, Alipay, crypto, web money, and more. You can choose any payment method you like. I personally prefer using crypto, so I'll top up my account that way. Just enter the amount you want to add and follow the steps for your chosen payment method. I'll speed through the payment process to save time. I just charged my account with $2, and that's enough for 2 months of the base VPS plan. To create your VPS, go to the Servers tab and click New Instance. First, enter a name for your server in the hostname field. Then choose the location you want your VPS to be hosted in. hostvds offers several options like Silicon Valley, Dallas, Kansas City, Amsterdam, Paris, Helsinki, Hong Kong, and Riga. After choosing your location, pick your VPS plan. The more powerful the plan, the higher the cost. In this video, we're going with the $1 option. It includes 1 CPU and 1 GB of RAM, which is more than enough for what we're doing. The only limitation is the network speed, which is capped at 50 megabits per second. With just $1 extra, you can upgrade to a much better plan: 1 CPU, 2 GB RAM, and a full 1 gigabit per second network speed. That plan can easily handle a VPN for multiple devices, your family, your friends, even 10 to 20 users. But since this tutorial is all about keeping the cost as low as possible, we'll stick with the $1 plan. Next, choose your operating system. You'll see several options, but select Debian 12. It's the best choice for our setup. There are a few extra settings we don't need, so just scroll down and click Deploy to create your VPS. After about a minute, your server will be ready and its IP address will appear. hostvds will also send you an email with all your VPS details, including the IP address and password. To connect to our VPS, we need an SSH client. I personally recommend Termius. It's free, modern, and packed with useful features. Go to the Termius download page. I'll put the link in the description. Download and install it. After installation, it will open automatically. You'll need a Termius account. If you already have one, just log in. If not, sign up with your email. Don't worry, it's completely free. First, enter your email. Termius will send you a verification code. So go to your email inbox, find the code, and enter it here. Next, set a password for your Termius account. After that, you'll see a few optional setup steps. You can skip all of them, just like I'm doing. Next, we need our server's IP address and password. Hostvds has already sent these to your email, so open that message with the VPS details. I've opened Termius on the right side of my screen and the email with the VPS details on the left, so you can clearly see the process. In Termius, click New Host and enter your server's IP address. Next, type in the username, which is root, and then enter the password. Finally, click the arrow icon at the top right to save your server details. Now your server has been added to Termius. To connect, right-click it and select Quick Connect. The first time, it asks for confirmation, just accept it, and now you're connected to your server. You can also choose a Termius theme. I personally like the Hacker Green theme. You can adjust the font size too. I make it bigger so it's easier to see. First, update your server using the command I've included in the video description. It's important to do this before installing any software, as it keeps your server up to date and more stable. The process takes a few minutes and it may ask for confirmation along the way. Just accept the default options. Now that the server is ready, let's install the OpenVPN server. I use the script by NYR. It's a simple and reliable way to set up OpenVPN. Run the script. I've included the link in the description. After running the script, you'll choose the connection protocol. You can pick UDP or TCP. UDP is faster but a bit less secure, while TCP is slower but more secure. I prefer security, so I choose TCP by typing 2 and pressing Enter. Next, select the OpenVPN port. You can type any port you like and press Enter, or just press Enter to use the default port. Then, choose a DNS provider. You can pick one from the list, or just press Enter to use the default. Now give a name to your first client. You can choose any name. I'm creating this client for my PC, so I type my Asus PC. You could use names like my laptop, sister phone, iPad, or John laptop. Remember, each client profile can only be used on one device at a time. After typing the name, just press Enter to continue. And finally, press Enter one more time to complete the installation. By running the script again, it opens a menu where you can add clients, revoke clients, or even remove OpenVPN from your server. Let's create another client. Type 1 and press Enter. Then enter the client's name. I want this one for my phone, so I type my Samsung phone. Press Enter, and the client will be created. To connect to OpenVPN on your devices, you'll need the configuration files. Each client you created will have a configuration file saved on your server. Termius makes it easy to download these files. Go to the SFTP tab. On one side, choose the folder on your computer where you want to save the files. I created a folder called OpenVPN on my C drive and selected it. On the other side, connect to your server. You'll see your files there, including the 2 configuration files I created. Their names match the client name you set. To download them, simply click on each file and select Copy to Target Directory. The files will be downloaded to your chosen folder. If we check that folder, you can see the configuration files have been successfully downloaded. Now, to connect to our OpenVPN server, we need the OpenVPN app. Go to the OpenVPN download page, the link is in the description, and download it. After downloading, install it. And it will open automatically once the installation is finished. Accept the agreement, then click Upload File. Select the configuration file you downloaded and click Import. Now the configuration is added. Press Connect and you're connected to your server. Let's confirm that we connected successfully. To check, I looked at my current IP address, and as you can see, my IP address is the same as my VPS IP. That means we've connected successfully. To connect on other devices, like another PC, a phone, or a tablet, you'll need to create a separate client for each device, then download and transfer the configuration file. For example, I've already created a configuration file for my phone, and just need to transfer that file to my phone. You can transfer files using a cable, Bluetooth, Telegram, WhatsApp, or any method you prefer. I personally use Google Drive for small files, so I upload it from my PC to Google Drive. And then on your phone, open Google Drive and download the configuration file. Then go to Google Play or the App Store and install the OpenVPN app. Open the app, accept the agreement, then go to the Upload File tab. Click Browse and select the configuration file. Press OK, then click on Profiles to add the config to the app and tap Connect. The first time, it may ask for permission. Just accept it. Now you're connected to your OpenVPN server. Let's confirm that we connected successfully. To check, I looked at my current IP address, and as you can see, my IP address is the same as my VPS IP. That means we've connected successfully. And that's it. You now have your very own OpenVPN server, all set up and ready to use for just $1. You can connect all your devices, share it with family or friends, and enjoy a secure, private, and stable connection wherever you are. I'll also be making similar videos like this for other protocols such as WireGuard, vDarray, AnyConnect, and more, all showing how to set them up for just $1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials. I've left all the links I mentioned in the description to make it easier for you to follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.